We are so excited to go to the Keys. Adi has never been. I've been one time and it was just to Key Largo, which is the first island, and I was maybe 15 years old. I don't remember it very well. We're gonna go there today and we're gonna see all the Keys, not just Key Largo. We're gonna make our way all the way down to Key West. Right on the water if you look out the window.
We're cracking open at high noon. Cheers. We love you, Dave Portnoy. Found this pretty shell, and then I realized that all these are baby hermit crabs. There's millions of them. This is a mini baby shell of a horseshoe crab. Setting right behind me. It's so beautiful. I just woke up. It's a little after 8. We're staying at Rainbow Bend, and so far it's been so great. It's beautiful. The only complaint I have is that we're up sooner to go check out this resort a little bit more. But I'm excited to get out there. We're gonna go get their morning breakfast that they include at the resort, and then we're heading to Key West today, and we're gonna do a whole key hopping adventure. We're on Marathon right now, so we're just gonna keep going south and see if we can find some awesome places to snorkel and just jump in. I'm so excited. Let's go. We just stopped at Big Pine Village, and it is such a cool looking store. It has conch shells and so much decor for like the beach, so let's check it out. We love mahis. Oh, I love that one. It's starting to drizzle a tiny bit, but we're gonna walk around a little and check out the area. What's the street called? We're gonna head over to Duval Street and walk around that area and see what we can find. And we made it to our first stop on Key West, and it's a boat dock called the Pier House, and it's so beautiful.
Let's get our bathing suits, walk up and jump in.
I love that idea. It's a little cold, but it feels really nice. We're gonna go on the scooters to check out another spot in the Keys. We were just scootering and Matt said, I really want to find this Cuban coffee, and then we looked to our right and the Cuban coffee stand is right here, one of many, and so of course we had to stop. Cheers!
Cheers, buddy. Very hot. Very good.
Why the chicken cross the road? It's a classic.
Made it to the most southern point, so I think it's time to turn around and head back towards Marathon.
Its teeth are crazy. Look what we found. Matt came out with me because he loves me. I really wanted to see what was out here, but it looks like absolutely nothing still. I hooked a mutton snapper right here.